Some parents may be wondering, when can their little ones start playing again in the game of soccer at the Creve Coeur Soccer Complex in Maryland Heights? Well, we're going to get some answers in just a few hours.
Yeah, of course, it was a very hard hit during the March 14th tornadoes. Travis Cummings is live from the soccer fields this morning with the plan in motion. Good morning, Travis.
Good morning, Michelle and Rennie. That's right. We are now on the north entrance of the Creve Coeur Soccer Complex, and I can tell you that the gates are closed right now. And when those families drive through at this time, you will be met with these white soccer complex closed signs here. Now, later this morning, County Executive Dr. Sam Page is expected to give a talk on an update for these 13 fields and what will happen with the rebuild process. When we were damaged back in March, those tornadoes were pretty extensive, and I want to show you some of that damage that we captured on our Skylens 5 camera. You can see it here, plain sight. It was pretty bad. That EF2 tornado tore through here, racking up $8 million in damage, wiping out 13 fields, dozens of goals, and even an office trailer on the property. Now, right now, only one grass field is open, and teams say rain makes practice almost impossible. So what we're dealing with this morning, for example, this place isn't just a local spot. It drew over 1.1 million visitors last year and generated $1.8 million in revenue. Now, later this morning at 11, County Executive Dr. Sam Page, along with Parks Director Brian Schaefer, will give an update on whether or not we're going to see this timeline here go underway in June. And we're looking at about 8 of the soccer fields here being rebuilt. All right, we're live in Creve Coeur. Travis Cummings, 5 on your side.